Hey guys, it's Johnny. I just want to show you my Angry Bird collection. First I have the red bird, the first bird. Next I have the blue bird, one that turns into 3. Then I have the yellow bird. If you touch the one that you touch the screen, it turns really fast. Next I have blackbird. When it blows up the bottom one. That was my favorite. Black one. Next I have the white bird. The one that has the egg inside it. And then I have an 8-inch main bird, but I use it for the big brother bird. So I'm going to get the big brother bird for Christmas. And I have a messed up black one, which has a hole in it, right here if you could see. And it's messed up, and this is supposed to be yellow. And it showed this picture. It's just messed up, but I don't really care. Still use it, it's cool. And it's fluffy. Okay, now for the pigs, I have the king pig. And then I have a grandpa pig. Next I have a regular pig. And I have 2 regular pigs. And I have 2 grandpa pigs also. And last but not least, I have the helmet pig. The one that has the little straps on the side and it's damaged. It's cool. So thanks for watching, and I just wanted to show you my Angry Bird collection. Bye.